Dusty is going to talk to you about Exclusion today.
I'm super excited today to tell you about an opportunity for you to save money and to help you out in almost any possible situation that you might have with what we call exclusions. That's where rodents or birds, etc., are getting into your attic space, and we have virtually every product here that can help you out. We don't necessarily expect for you to know every product in here. That's what we're here for. We're here to explain it. We want you to feel comfortable enough to come in here with any kind of issue that you have and let us help you. And believe me, this will save you a ton of money. We can diagnose the problem in a lot of times, point you in the right direction, tell you what like carpentry might be done, and go from there. Bring us as much information as you can. Tell us when the animals or rodents are coming into the house. Tell us a little bit maybe about where the holes are. That will help us, believe it or not. If there's feces that you've seen, you might tell us what that looks like, and then tell us what time of day or night you're hearing the problem. In addition to that, if you'll bring us some pictures, whoever's working at the store, if they know nothing about exclusions, they can send me a picture personally or one of my staff. We'll look at the pictures and try to decipher exactly what you need and to help you save money.
We have these excluders. Would you like to explain how those work a little bit?
Yeah, the excluders, what you do with those is you put them over the hole, that the exit or entrance hole that the rodent is coming in this case we're talking about a squirrel. What happens is they go in there, they get caught in there, and then they can't get back into that space. That way, whenever we come out or you go back to check the trap, the rodent is in there, and then you just simply remove them.
What is the best thing to use up in an attic, say when we know that there's a squirrel up there and we want to get her out, especially if we know she's got babies?
Right. Whenever you're trying to get rid of squirrels per se, what we do is they're not nocturnal. They're outside in the daytime. They want to be out playing, hunting nuts, whatever, and you wait till it's daytime. You go up there, and what we actually have a foghorn that we take up into the attic, and we make as much noise as possible and try to get rid of them as best as we can. And we probably have a 95% rate as far as the success rate as far as that's concerned. Then as soon as that's done, when we feel that that's accomplished, then we immediately seal up the holes.
Okay.
There are some poisons that you can put up there. There's some repellents that you can put up there, but again, you do that secondarily after they're out of the attic space.
Okay. Great.
I just want to emphasize that there are, in every situation, until I can see it, I can't really diagnose it. It's kind of like going to a doctor per se, and that's why we're here. We don't want you to do this alone. We want you to get professional information, and that can be done at a very cheap rate here at our stores.
Well, I appreciate all the information that you've given us today, Dusty, and we really do appreciate all the service that you do for our customers out there. And thank you so very much. And thank you. Please remember to bring us those pictures and send us videos also if you have those. Thank you so much. Have a great holiday.
Thank you so much.